For a bank, getting to know you is not just a good banking practice, it is also a legal and regulatory requirement. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a policy that has been introduced globally and is now a standard banking practice. KYC serves an important purpose to prevent identity theft, financial fraud, money laundering, and funding for terrorism. On a more personal level, it lets the banks know customers like you better, which allows them to manage any risks on your behalf and provide you better and more efficient services. Banks are legally required to follow the KYC policy laid down by the Reserve Bank of India. Its elements include everything from identifying a customer to monitoring transactions and risk. Even the definition of a customer is laid down in the policy. KYC controls and manages what the banks do for their customers and how they interact with their customers. But what does all this mean for you? Your bank needs to verify your identity through reliable information and documents. So when you open an account, the bank will ask you for the documents required under the law to complete its KYC procedures. The documents will be proof of your name and permanent address. Your bank will give you the options that you can provide for each. You will need to show the originals for verification and submit a copy for bank records. A recent colored passport size photograph will also be required. KYC information will also need to be updated periodically. Your bank will inform you when that is required. Besides opening an account, there are other times you will need to provide documentation for KYC. These can range from applying for a loan or credit card to investing in a mutual fund. Every bank has its own list of instances when KYC is applicable. KYC is a must, both for your financial safety and for the bank. If a customer does not cooperate or provide the information required, the bank has the right to close the account or end the banking relationship after providing due notice and explaining its reasons for the decision. So why is KYC good for you? The more your bank gets to know you, the more you can be sure your finances are safe and that you would get better services from your bank.